In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds to your Binance Futures account using the Binance mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently manage your funds is crucial. By the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence to effortlessly transfer your assets to your futures account, paving the way for you to engage in futures trading with ease. To begin, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've launched the app, look for the Assets section. You'll find this section on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on Assets will bring up all your account balances and options available for managing your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, you want to navigate towards the Futures section. To do this, hit Futures, which can usually be found in the top area of your Assets screen. Once you're in the Futures section, you'll notice a button labeled Transfer. Go ahead and tap on Transfer. This option is your gateway for moving funds between your spot wallet and your futures wallet. At this point, you need to decide which cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Tap on the drop down menu and select the coin of your choice. In this example, let's say you're transferring Tether, commonly known as USDT. Selecting the coin is straightforward, but do take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct one, as this choice will reflect which funds are moved. After selecting your cryptocurrency, it's time to set the amount you wish to transfer. Enter the amount in the designated field. It's a good idea to double check this entry, as transferring funds securely and correctly is paramount for successful trading. Once you're satisfied with the amounts and selections, you can move on to the final step. Now find the button that says Confirm Transfer and tap on it. This step executes the transfer of your selected amount from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. It's a straightforward process, but it's always useful to remember that transactions like these might take a moment to process. Be patient, and within a short while you'll see the transferred balance appearing in your futures account ready for use. By following these steps, you're now prepared to dive deeper into futures trading, knowing you can efficiently manage and transfer your funds with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your assets and double checking each step ensures smooth and hassle-free transactions. Enjoy trading, and may your investments thrive.